Billy. Wait, I think I changed that. It's not working. Hey guys, welcome to episode 16 of the Swift and SwiftUI Learnalong. I'm your host, some guy, sponsored by nobody yet. Now, yesterday was real short. You'll be happy to know, though, that the job interview went well, ran really long. Point of emphasis, just a word of advice. If you're ever trying to, get a job or just generally trying to elicit favor from somebody, someone new that you just met, like an interview. If they like to talk, let them talk. Just listen. It's pretty easy. Not in like a manipulative way, but in truth, if that's what they want to do, just listen intently, pay attention to what they're saying, and don't try to force whatever kind of, because I know there's a lot of prep out there, prep courses, do this, say this, whatever, I'm just saying, don't forget to pick up on the easy, more natural flow of things. Don't come in all rigid. But yeah, I love meeting people like that because, again, not in a manipulative way, but it's just fact. Like if they're so willing to if they want to talk about themselves, talk about what they're doing, talk about ideas. I think we've all encountered people like this. It's like, weren't you supposed to be asking me questions? But they just want to talk. But yeah, just let them talk. But make sure you pay attention. Don't go off in la la land, daydreaming. But it went well, so I have the third and final interview, the third and final round, as they call it, on Friday, so 2 days from now at 8 a.m. The interview itself is giving a presentation on an implementation plan for the position, which is Director of BI Delivery. And so, yeah, I'm going to nail it. Nailed it. And then, hold on, my girl. Make sure she, hold on 1 second. Make sure she gets in. I think it's okay to, it's 1069 if you're talking about the gate that you use the garage opener to get into, the one we kept walking through. If you're going to any other gate, it might be 4578, but it's definitely one of those. 1069 for that inner gate, 4578 for the outer gate. I didn't see her. She's sneaky. She just kind of. Oh, she is here. Son of a gun. Hold on. My bad, guys. Oye, loca. Man. She's coming up. As soon as I sit down, she's gonna knock. Guess I'll just sit down to hurry that along. Okay. I have the worst focus when it comes to that stuff. If I know something's coming, I'm like, all right, whatever. Okay, closure, expression, syntax. You know, it just dawned on me why the dude that created Clojure, the programming language, probably called it Clojure, because we're learning about them and the way that they work. If you've ever seen Clojure syntax, makes a lot of sense. Huh. Yeah, that just hit me. Okay, so Clojure, expression, syntax. We got through half of this. Let's see what we covered yesterday. So here we just made a regular old okay, so we define a constant and initialize an array of integers in a single line here, and then we wrote some long verbose version of this. So we defined a function separately and then rewrote it with this shorthand. So this is basically showing us, what did they call this? Oh, an inline function is what they called it. So we're taking the constant we defined here, make it equal to, wait. Oh no, sorry. We're taking, we define a new constant, sorted, and set it equal to the unsorted array, and call this method sorted by, and then the inline function itself is using this syntax. So it's kind of structured like a function, but you're not naming it, so that hence the inline definition or the terminology. So sorted by itself we know is a method, and yesterday we learned that a method is just a function that's associated with the given type. But they are functions. And so sorted by, wait. Oh, okay, yeah, so the by, that's the parameter, which is probably like an external name on the sorted method. And then for the type, this represents the inline function itself. So from squiggly to squiggly. Oh, Jesus. Close it, babe, hurry. Bugs. Girl, you don't know how to knock. This time, I'm streaming, by the way. Okay, so volunteer counts sorted by. Okay, so my girl gave me a heart attack. I forgot what I was even saying. Middle. Come here, baby. Okay, it's not X-rated stream. It's PG. It's children watching. Come on. Okay. Anyway, guys, sorry about that. She's aggressive. Okay, so can't even think. Between the squigglies, okay, is the inline function. And so this, if you think about it, mimics the function syntax, func something, and then arguments, and then return type, whatever it may be, right? And then, you know, some stuff. And so this squiggly portion is actually, oh wait, what did they say? I really don't want to look back in. Okay, I remember. So if we think about it this way, in terms of relating it to a function, meaning the inline function. So you don't write func outright, for one, right? You write it in the place of where the type would normally go. So after the, wait, no, even that's not correct, because that's the parameter. Oh, right, okay, the one parameter that you pass to it, or argument rather, is the function, the inline function. Okay, so between the squigglies, you don't have to declare func. You just start with the arguments. And then same as a function, you have your return type. And for inline functions, we use the in keyword. And then this bool applies to the return value. Yeah. Close enough, I think. Now, yeah, that's about it. Okay, closure, expression, syntax. This works, but you can clean up your code. There is no need to declare a named function. You can create, wait, we did this, parameters, return type. Okay, so we're here. This code is a bit cleaner and more elegant than the first version. Instead of providing a function defined elsewhere in the playground, you define a closure inline in the sorted by methods argument. Right, so write method sorted by here. Methods argument. The closures parameters and their type are the same as before, as in the return type. In the closure's body, you provide the same logical test, is I less than j, to determine the Boolean return value. The result is just as before. The sort. We'll wait till the wrestling stops. This goes a bit cleaner, more elegant than the first version instead of providing a function. Okay, right. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay, the closures parameters and their type are the same as before, as is the return type. In the closures body, you provide the same logical test, is I less than j, to determine Boolean return value. The result is just as before. The sorted array is assigned to volunteers sorted.